Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have August Universal Yums. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Universal Yums for August just came, and it looks like we are going to Hindi. It says see inside for explanation, so we're gonna need a see inside for a further explanation. But yeah, so if you do not know, Universal Yums is a snack style subscription box where they go to a different country every month, and all of the snacks inside are all from that one specific country that they travel to, which I think is amazing because you get to try all different things from one versus one item from this, one item from that, one item from this. You know, it's like everything is from the same country. So you get to try out some really cool things. Sometimes they're very good. Sometimes they're and sometimes it's like, oh my gosh, what did I just put in my mouth? But you get to try them, and some are good, some are not. But it's an interesting and fun way to try out new things from different countries. So they have 3 different subscription boxes. They have the Yum box, which is $15. You get six different snacks, but the snacks, some of them, if they're smaller, they'll put multiple ones, not just one. So it's not like you're only gonna have just 6 items, that's it. You'll have 6 different snacks, but a few of them will have multiple of them. You'll have a 12-page booklet with trivia and games, and there's free shipping to the United States. Or there's the Yum Yum box, which is $25 a month, and you'll get 12 different types of snacks. You'll get everything from the Yum box plus 6 additional, a 16-page booklet, bonus content with recipe, trivias, and more with free shipping. That's what I get. Or there's the Super Yum box, which is $39 a month. Again, free shipping, 20 different products inside, everything from the first 2 plus more. That one you get a 20-page booklet and all of that good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive in here and see what is going on for this month. Oops. Okay, so cut that, and oh, we are going to Turkey, you guys. Alrighty, so there is the top page, and then on the back there are some little games here, and then it lists all of the different items that is in my box, and you can actually keep track of them from best to second best to worst to weirdest, so you kind of can keep track of what it is and what you liked versus what you didn't really like. So I do appreciate that. So let's go ahead and see. Now they do give you the booklet, Turkey. There's some really cool, interesting, fun facts in here. Again, they do the trivia. There's some bonus games and all that kind of thing. There is also recipes like in the back. And then they do go over all of the different items, and it gives you a full explanation of them and sometimes why they chose that particular item. So let's go ahead and just dive on in and see what we have. So right on top here, these kind of feel like they got some weight to them. This, I'm not sure. To me, it looks kind of like a, what are those? Sour cream and onion Lay's or something? Because it looks like there's little specks on there. But this is cracker chips with mixed spices. Okay, do you love plain, boring snacks? Well, if you do, well, you're going to seriously hate these crackers. Every nook and cranny of these ridges rounds is perfectly with the Baharatat. Not quite sure what that word right there is. A blend of spices that is insanely popular all across the Middle East, including Turkey. So we have some chips, they look like crackers with some really good spices. So that sounds amazing. So we have that item. Now we have, says something with mustard. Oh, these look like bugles. Look at the way that they look. Those look like bugles. These are crisps with mustard taco seasoning. Mustard and tacos, why not? Not appealing to you? That's because you've never tried this unique shaped snack. Everything about this yum is interesting, but perhaps nothing more than its 80-year backstory. So again, to me, those look like bugles, but with mustard and taco seasoning. So that's different. I'm not sure, but this looks like there's like some kind of sausages going on. corn snack with grilled kebab flavor. Every once in a while, we find a snack so essential to the country we're visiting that it needs nearly no explanation. So there's that. Ooh, whoa, these are big, and there's 2 of them. Look at these big guys. This right here says Lush Cocoa Cream Mosaic Cookies. Mosaic cookies with chocolate cream filling. So let's see cocoa cream filled cookies. Some of these I do open to try for you guys, but I'm not going to open up every single product and try one thing so they're all open and they're going to go to waste. It's just me and my man. I don't have kids or other family that's here, so I don't want these things to go to waste, because I've had a few people say, well, why do you do this box if you don't try them all? Well, I'm sorry, I'm not going to try them all, but a few of them I do pick and then I try all the other ones later. So let's go ahead and see what this one is all about, because it sounds really good. So that's what it looks like on the outside. I don't want to do it. Those are really good. I'm glad they gave us 2 big packages of them. Those are actually really, really good. It seems like inside of the cookie has like an outer, like a harder chocolate filling, like outer, what am I trying to say? An outer coating with the inner gooiness on the inside, because I get a little bit of a crunch in there. So next we have is this guy. Ooh, is this orange? Chocolate and vanilla sponge cake with orange filling. Do you need a reminder to enjoy cake? Probably not. Still, this cake displays a giant instruction prominently on the package, just in case. You shouldn't have any problems following it. This moist, rich cake is swirled with vanilla and chocolate cake butter, then filled with delightful citrus orange jam. It says enjoy right on the top. That sounds very, very good. This one's heavy. This has some weight to it. It looks like maybe there's pistachios, a Turkish delight. There's that. Turkish delight with carrot, pistachio, and coconut. Okay, you guys, I don't like coconut. I don't eat coconut. So I do like pistachio though. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this one straight to my man who loves coconut, and I'll hear what he says. So yeah, I'm not gonna try that, but I'll give it to him. These look like pretzels. Ooh, it looks like there's like some spice to them. There's this item, spicy cracker sticks. Crackers are salty sticks that have taken Turkey's snack market by storm. This looks like a cheese cracker. Cheese cracker. There's that. This is cheese and onion cracker chips. So these are onion and, I didn't see the onion over there, onion and cheddar chips, crackers. Those sound really good. This, ooh, this looks like a donut. Oh, he'll love this. I don't care for cherry either. Sorry, I don't. But there's this, and this is a chocolate donut with cherry jelly. If you've ever had a cherry on top of your sundae, it's probably come from Turkey. Turkey is the biggest cherry producer in the world, picking over 800,000 tons of them per year. Wow. Oh, I'm all down here. That's crazy. So that looks like that would be really good. But again, I don't really care for a cherry, so I'll pass that along. Okay, so in the book, it looks like this. And what I'm seeing looks like that. And I'm like, is there another one in here or something? But it says your package may look differently depending on the flavor in your box. So there's this next item. These treats may look like the after dinner mints you find at your local diner, but they're obviously not. They're one of Turkey's oldest and most common candies. Pop one in your mouth and you'll instantly begin the soften release one of the 3 flavors. If your package is red, expect oh so sweet strawberry, orange chocolate, sugarness awaits you, and silver, your candy is filled with bergamot and citrus oil that gives Earl Grey tea its flavor. So let's see what in the world this is all about, because now I'm interested in what bergamot. What? Let's try this. So it does look like an after dinner mint for sure. It smells like essential oils. Wow. Honestly, I can't pinpoint a taste. It's very soft. It does break down like those mints. But as far as the taste, I'm getting a slight, almost to me, like a slight citrusy, but that's me just trying to come up with something to pinpoint because it's hard to tell. I don't really have, it's not like a flavor that's hitting me with a flavor, if that makes sense. I don't know, it's different. So this big old nugget, it says soft nugget. Soft chocolate nugget with hazelnuts. We couldn't visit we couldn't visit Turkey without bringing you its most famous crop, hazelnuts. Nugget, oh my goodness. Nugget bar with chocolate and hazelnut is exactly what it even says on the back. So, best of use before May 10th, 2020. So at least you know you have a ways to go and it's not expired, which that is awesome. Okay, so moving right along, let's go with this one. This is Turkish Delight Rose, Lemon, and Orange. There's that. These are little, looks like little candies in rose, lemon, and orange. All right, so that's what they look like when you open them up. So I'm definitely going to grab the lemon that I know is yellow. And it has like a little powdery substance on it. It tastes like a, you know, like those orange slices or the lemon slices candy that you can buy that are like a gummy. That's what that tastes like. This is exactly what that tastes like. One more item. They put all the smaller ones in this bag now. And it says, as we were searching the world each month for the best yums to bring to you, we often stumble on smaller finds that are big on crazy flavor, but small in size. This bag is loaded with those discoveries. Inside the bag, there'll be some yums that you'll wish there were more of and others that you wish we'd never found. But that's all the part of the fun. Dig in and have some fun time. Okay, so there are 4 of these little guys. Soft candy with something flavor. There's that. So a soft, chewy candy. And again, we got 4 of those. And then there's 4 of the next one that is in here as well. So there's these. And this one says Mellow Mellow. Soft milk candy with pear and orange flavor. Ooh. Let's see. Orange and pear. Let's see. Oh goodness. Okay, so this is completely like stuck to the package, and it looks like there's like a pink inside, if you can see the different color right in there. Let's see if I can try to get this. I like the pear. I like the pear a lot in that. That's good. Okay, so since I have all this sweet stuff going on in my mouth, let me open up one of these crackers to tell you, just because I don't want to just have all the sweets in my mouth. But again, going over this box, we got 4 of these. We got 3 of these, which these are really good. We have this bag of these. We have this hazelnut and chocolate nugget. 2 of these big guys, which these are really good. We got this that I can't picture what flavor it is, but they smell like essential oils. Coconut and pistachio little bar here. This little cake with orange, which probably is very, very good. The little bugle looking things. This is a cherry donut, onion and cheddar. And here's some pretzels. Here's this or this. Let's see. Let me do, I'm interested in what this seasoning is. So let's do this one. That's some strong seasoning smell. Okay. And that's what it looks like inside. There's the back side. That's actually really good. I really like that. They're like crispy, but an airy like cracker. That's really good. I like that. Okay. So that is everything. We just went to Turkey. So you guys comment down below. Let me know. Did you think this was a good box? Do you get this box? Do you want to get this box? What did you think about this box? Your positive interaction means the world. And yeah, so until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.